Hi, this is Brian with Scratchmaster, a quick instructional on how to take photos so that I can do my best to give you an accurate quote. Okay, I do need to see the damage in person. However, I can usually get pretty close with photos. So you need to send 2 photos, please. One is a focus close-up of the damage itself, and then a second photo is one from far away back, a picture of the car. Okay, so photo 1, the close-up. So just look at here. So I'm gonna get real close, just like this. Okay? Now, if you look at the photo, it's kind of like that. Right now, let's see, how do I get out of here? Okay, then what we do is we go back 10 feet. Very important, just like this. Okay, now let's look at this photo. See how it's far back? It helps me understand what I might mask off. Even if I don't touch any of the other panels, the second photo is about understanding the car. Thanks very much. Talk to you soon.